Right, okay, this is a gazebo from Amazon. Jane bought it. I have no idea how it goes together.
It's the same as the chicken coops, out sunny.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's easier to do it like that. I'll tell you what.
Comes with a nice little bag.
It's nice, isn't it? I hope it's not like that toilet tent. I wonder if it's all in one.
It's green.
There's the feet. I think we're going to look at the instructions for a second. Yeah? So you get all the pegs.
Pegs and ropes.
Warning in different languages. Really? I think we just open it up first.
Find a flat surface.
Yep.
Follow instruction. In windy, take it down. Do not use chemicals.
Yeah.
Just open it up.
Just open it up by the look of it. And
Don't
then,
try to set it up by yourself. Shall I help you?
I think you put it on afterwards.
No, it says put it on first.
Is it?
Open it up, then lift it up.
You can't see what you're doing.
So you're going to wait till we get a few more people and just do it all together?
I think so, yeah.
Well, I can do it with you.
Give it a go if you want.
We just go on opposite corners and then just lift them up. Yeah?
Yeah.
Or even the same corner.
Not
Side.
too much pressure on.
Okay, we'll stretch it right out. And then we find some little Velcro things. So we'll put them on.
Don't go mad because you're in the wrong place. Right.
The middle's coming up. Did you push that up?
No, we started to do it, yeah.
When you pull it out, it automatically comes up?
Yeah.
Okay. Still down a bit, isn't it? Okay. So do we lift the legs up?
Well, should we just go a bit further with it?
Pull it out?
Yeah, just put out me and you. That's it, and then this corner and your corner. And I won't do it by hand then, I think. Alright?
Yeah.
I don't want to damage it.
I don't think it goes completely, does it?
Eh?
Does it go completely straight, does it?
I think the legs do. The legs go up. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put the legs up, shall we, first?
We need a few more. Yeah, and then you extend the legs afterwards. So
Just
you go,
lift
see?
it up
See
till
that?
the little
You haven't
knob
got to
goes
touch
in.
anything.
Okay.
Right.
Right, so that's nice and...
So that's nice. And taut.
Yeah, that's straight now. Lovely.
Like that.
You done your velcros? This one needs to be pulled down a bit. And that one needs to be pulled down a bit. That one's come up now.
That's alright, we'll get it in the air. So now what you want to do
Lift them up.
is the legs.
Extend them.
Yeah. Have we got pins for them?
It might snap, mightn't it? Okay. Keep on pulling until it goes.
Look at that, you've got 3 settings on the inside, but they're different to that one. Anyway, so first one. First one.
It's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've got some more Velcro at the top where I didn't see that. That's big enough, isn't it?
Yeah, that's nice.
So we're going to go over the table or not?
Yeah, easy. Because we can go higher if you wanted to, but I think that's high enough, isn't it?
It's high enough for now, isn't it? Oh, you'll go higher, but you know.
Yeah, well,
We want to do these first, we can reach
so here
them.
we go. So
Well, you can reach them.
Velcros on the inside as well. That's handy, isn't it?
Done. What's it look like?
What a nice little pen.
Ah, that's good. Let's put that in the hole so nobody's going to trip over it, presumably. Done. And got one more.
So it tightens this part that sits around the bottom of the leg. There we go. And then this one here, see? So you put this one in here, down the bottom. There's 4 holes, like that. Yeah, it's not going to go in, but it will now. And that should pull it taut. There you go. That's nice, isn't it?
We haven't decided where to put it yet, but guide ropes, and pegs. You just put a peg in the foot, don't you, really? And that'll do for now. It's not windy today, thank goodness.
There we go. And then your guide ropes are on here.
Done.